I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Mailing Boss for the first time. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Builderall dashboard, and I'm going to go to the top left-hand side and choose Mailing Boss Autoresponder. When I do that, it's going to automatically open Mailing Boss for me, and it's going to start the process of setting up my Mailing Boss account. So the first thing it asks me is my first name and my last name. So I'm going to enter that information, and then I'm going to click Next. And then it wants to know about your business, including the name of your business, your website, the default sending email address, and the default reply to email address. So I put all my information in, and now I'm going to click Next. Now we need to put in our business address, including the physical street address, city, state, zip code, and country. So I've put in my business address information, and now I'm going to click Next. And now everything is set up inside of Mailing Boss. If I ever need to edit the information, I just go to the top right-hand side, and where it says Hello, you just click your name, and it will take you back to your profile information, where you can edit that information there, or you can click your company and edit your company information as well. When you're done editing, you just click Save Changes, and everything's changed. So that's how you set up Mailing Boss for the first time in your Builderall account.